Hi, I'm Antonio, playlist manager at iMusician, and I'm gonna give you some tips on how to win the hearts and ears of playlist curators. As you know, especially as a musician who's just starting up their career, getting into those desired editorial playlists is not likely to happen with just one release on the platform. That's why you first need to get around those independent curators that are eager for new discoveries and that may happen to have a big community ready to listen to your music, just like us. So how do you do that? There are two approaches to finding new playlists: using an aggregated free playlist submission site or manually searching for suitable curators or playlists. We recommend a combination of both, but let's describe them separately. Before we dive into that, hit that subscribe button and activate the bell so you don't miss out on tricks, tips, and tutorials like this one. Back to it. Playlist submission sites are built specifically to let you search for appropriate playlists and submit songs from one hub. One of the best tools out there is Soundplate, and you know what? It's free! All you have to do is go to their submission page and select your track genre to find the appropriate playlists. Poke around and listen to some featured tracks on playlists where you think your music might fit. Don't waste their time and yours by submitting to every single playlist out there. Pick your spots. Spotify genres might be a bit different to those you might find on other portals, so it's really worth spending a bit of time checking those playlists of curators of different genres around your track before deciding which ones to pitch to. You should also research the playlist creators, checking their Instagram presence and their Spotify playlists and profiles, as this can give you important information about their reach and fit for your music. It's also a good way to get your foot in the door by shooting them a direct message. Follow them, they follow you, that would be more potential ears for your music. Once you've found the right playlist for your track, click on Submit Music. You can submit to as many playlists as you like and select from multiple genres to find more that fit, but remember, only ones that fit. Soundplate is just one example. There are others out there worth checking out, such as Submit Hub, Indie Momo, Daily Playlists, and Spinray. You can find links for each of those in the description below. Now, let's get to the direct approach, which is building your own playlist curator contact list. It may seem easier to go with those services we just mentioned, but we oftentimes see artists finding more success with a more personable and direct approach. The advantage here being a wider music playlist pool and direct contact with labels and influential playlist curators. You'll be surprised at how many curators, blogs, and artists out there respond to direct messages. So don't get discouraged right off the bat. Ask other artists and friends from your genre which playlist they follow. Pick some popular artists in your genre and view their Spotify profile page to see which list they appear on. Labels often have their own playlist too, so check the ones you follow. Playlists show the list curator, and many list their email address, social media accounts, name, or blog in the playlist description. Some also connect to their Facebook account. If not, search for the blog, playlist name, or the curator's name on LinkedIn or Twitter, etc. etc. Once you've found the playlist curators, send them a friendly first message. Follow their playlist, play some of the tracks, and start by telling them what you like about their selection. Once the conversation is flowing, tell them about your project and why you think it fits. It may take a few pitches before anything happens, so don't be pushy or take it personal if you don't get included right away. It doesn't mean your music is bad, it just means it doesn't fit their playlist, so don't give up. As a matter of fact, did you know that we have our playlist that we curate and update regularly? We have a nice team of curators that are hungry for new music and will be happy to listen to your songs and feature them on our playlist. So how can you send us your tracks? First, let's take a look at some of our playlists. Worldwide Rap, where we select the best new rap from international independent artists. Rock Now, filled with new and classic rock songs from our community. Metal Heart, where we raise our horns to metal and all its subgenres. New Punk, with the latest punk tracks from across the globe to kickstart your day. Everything Indie, where we blend alternative rock, indie folk, bedroom pop, and everything in between. I Am Electronic, where you can find techno, house, and ambient from do-it-yourself electronic artists and producers from around the world. And Neoclassical, full of peaceful, melancholic, and beautiful classical music from modern independent composers. We have many more playlists for each genre, so head to the link in the description and check them out to find the right one for you. From there, you can submit them directly to our curation team by filling out a simple form, clicking Submit your track, and away we go. Now you're all set to start pitching your tracks to independent playlists. If you didn't do so earlier, click that subscribe button and stay tuned. We have much more tips coming up here on this channel to help you develop your playlist strategy. We'll see you soon.